Let's face it, we've all heard it before. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But have you ever wondered why? What makes this first meal so crucial to our daily routine and overall health? When it comes to losing weight, breakfast isn't just a saying, it's a game changer. Studies have shown that people who eat a healthy breakfast are more likely to maintain a healthy weight. This is because breakfast helps regulate your appetite and reduces the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Skipping breakfast might seem like an easy way to cut calories, but it can actually hinder your weight loss efforts. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into a sort of survival mode, slowing down your metabolism and making it harder to burn calories efficiently. Plus, you're more likely to reach for unhealthy snacks to curb your hunger. Think of it this way. You've been fasting all night while you sleep. Your body has been using up its energy stores to keep you going through the night. By the time you wake up, your body is in need of a fresh supply of nutrients to kickstart your day. Your body needs fuel to kickstart your metabolism and get your energy levels going. A good breakfast provides the necessary nutrients to start your day on the right foot, giving you the energy to tackle your morning tasks and even your workout routine. Eating a nutritious breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar levels, prevents those mid-morning energy crashes, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating later in the day. This means you're less likely to reach for that sugary snack or extra cup of coffee to get through the morning. Remember, a healthy breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. It can influence your mood, your energy levels, and even your cognitive function. Starting your day with a balanced meal can help you stay focused and productive throughout the day. Make it a priority, and your body will thank you. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be setting yourself up for better eating habits throughout the day. A good breakfast can be the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Now, let's talk about what a fat-burning breakfast looks like. It's not just about eating anything in the morning. It's about making smart choices that will fuel your body and help you reach your fitness goals. One of my favorite go-tos is an egg white scramble packed with colorful veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and fiber, which are essential for muscle repair and keeping you full. Pair that with a slice of whole grain toast topped with avocado for healthy fats and added fiber. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. The whole grains provide sustained energy and keep you feeling satisfied. Another great option is a smoothie made with a mix of fruits, vegetables, and a protein source like Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein powder. Smoothies are quick to prepare and can be packed with nutrients, making them a perfect on-the-go breakfast. If you prefer something warm, oatmeal is a fantastic choice. It's high in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you full. You can top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrients. The key is to find what works best for you and to make it a habit. Planning your breakfast the night before can save you time in the morning and ensure you start your day with a nutritious meal. So take a moment to think about your breakfast choices and how they can impact your day. By making breakfast a priority, you're not just fueling your body, you're setting the stage for a healthier, more productive day. So, embrace the power of breakfast and let it transform your mornings and your life. Let's dive deeper into the power of protein, especially at breakfast. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your metabolism and energy levels throughout the day. By incorporating protein into your morning routine, you can give your metabolism the jumpstart it needs. When you're aiming for fat loss, protein is your best friend. Not only does it help in muscle repair and growth, but it also plays a crucial role in keeping you satiated. This means fewer hunger pangs and less temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. Why? Because it helps you build and maintain lean muscle mass, which is a calorie-burning machine. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. So, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're not working out. This is why strength training combined with a protein-rich diet is so effective for weight loss. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy crashes and sugar cravings that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience those mid-morning slumps that make you reach for sugary snacks or caffeine. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you feeling fuller and more satisfied for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. This prolonged feeling of fullness can help you stick to your dietary goals and avoid overeating. Remember that egg white scramble we talked about? It's not just a delicious option, but also a strategic one. Egg whites are low in calories but high in protein, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. Egg whites are an excellent source of lean protein, and when combined with fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats from the avocado, you've got yourself a fat-burning breakfast champion. The fiber from the vegetables aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, while the healthy fats from the avocado provide sustained energy. This combination ensures that you start your day on the right foot, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. By making these small but impactful changes to your breakfast routine, you can significantly boost your metabolism and set yourself up for success in your weight loss journey. So, next time you plan your breakfast, remember the power of protein and how it can help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's talk about macronutrients, those essential nutrients our bodies need in larger amounts: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Balancing your macros is crucial for optimal health and weight management. Think of your plate as a pie chart. For fat loss, aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables. These are your low-calorie, nutrient-dense powerhouses like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. 1/4 of your plate with lean protein. Think grilled chicken breast, fish, tofu, or legumes. 1/4 of your plate with complex carbohydrates. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. Don't fear healthy fats. They're essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Include sources like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in moderation. Section 4. Snack smart. Beat cravings and stay satisfied. Snacking can be your best friend or your worst enemy when it comes to fat loss. Choosing the right snacks can help you stay on track with your goals, while the wrong ones can derail your progress. The key is to choose snacks that provide a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you satisfied and energized between meals. This combination helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy crashes that often lead to unhealthy cravings. One of my favorite mid-morning snacks is Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This snack is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs to repair and build muscle. It's also rich in probiotics, which support a healthy gut. Berries, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, while fiber aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Chia seeds are packed with healthy fats and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Planning your snacks is just as important as planning your meals. By taking the time to prepare healthy snacks in advance, you can ensure that you always have nutritious options on hand. Keep healthy options readily available so you're less likely to reach for processed, sugary snacks when hunger strikes. Stock your fridge and pantry with a variety of healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and yogurt. This way, you can easily grab a nutritious snack whenever you need a quick energy boost. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body with wholesome foods that keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. By making smart snack choices, you can beat cravings and stay on track with your health and fitness goals. Sharing healthy snacks with friends and family can also be a great way to stay motivated and enjoy the journey together. So, snack smart, stay satisfied, and keep pushing towards your goals. Section 5. Lunchtime recharge. Light, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Lunch is another opportunity to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to power through the day while supporting your fat loss goals. The key is to keep it light, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. One of my go-to lunchtime favorites is a big, colorful salad. Start with a bed of leafy greens, like spinach or romaine lettuce. Then add a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and carrots. For protein, grilled chicken breast or fish are excellent choices. You can also add a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for healthy fats and extra crunch. Just be mindful of portion sizes, especially with calorie-dense additions.